U.S.SAWS poly pump cleaning. Disconnect steel braided lines on handle from the manifold.
After loosening the lines, make sure you keep them in an upright position because material will leak out.
Pump unused materials into their original buckets.
Make sure that you use the A to pump the A in and the B to pump the B in.
Wipe down polyethylene containers and flush with 1 quart of end flush.
Make sure you wipe all the corners and crevices and threads in your tanks.
Here's a great example of them cleaning out their buckets entirely, making sure that they leave no residue behind.
They're using a product called M-Flush that basically breaks down the polyurea. After cleaning, you're going to want to judge the ratio by putting equal amounts in each side and pumping through your system, making sure that the ratio is on 1:1.
Store pump with tanks containing 1 quart of hydraulic oil.
This will ensure that everything stays lubricated when the pump is not in use. Hydraulic oil is not the only thing that you can use. You can use corn oil.
Grease fittings in the manifold.
Grease fittings in the manifold after every job and every cleaning.